What's up, Cameron? What's up? What's up? Welcome to the 22 Honda gatherings. Spring gathering, the Honda gathering, spring gathering. We're here at UTI. No, not what your girl get. But nah, we're here. Car set up, my first track day. Baby girl's gonna be piloting, narrating, not narrating, but she's gonna be filming this entire experience.
There's Jason.
We got Mr. Honda Pro in the building. I'm parked next to my dog. We best friends and shit. You feel me?
I waited 3 hours in line to park next to Zosh.
3 hours. Listen, man, y'all know Jason is dog. We run this shit, son.
We do. This stuff is run by us.
Yeah, I'm gonna bleep my curse words, dog. You know I gotta get ads and get paid. Yeah, you know the vibes. But yeah, we is here. I got this right here for the homie Popeye, because he gave me one, so I'm gonna get Popeye one. And then, yeah.
Fred, say hi.
Oh, sorry.
Yo, I'm going, yo.
Damn, Fred, why you look so mean?
What is that, Fred? What's going on? You get a trucking thing, you smoke Black and Miles now? Bro?
Goddamn, boy. We are tell, man. Goddamn redneck life, man.
Say hi to a vlog.
Goddamn son, bitch.
Damn.
How y'all doing?
I gotta bleep all that out. I need ads and get paid.
Listen, dog. No chance for nobody here. Talk all you want for talk, go on you want for go on. If they don't like it, suck them mama.
Damn. All that, Fred? Jeez.
Give this to Popeye.
What's up, Chris?
Bro, we got Chris in the motherfucking building, you know what I mean? Camera shy. Camera shy? Nah.
What?
It's all good. I'm not.
Say hi.
Yeah, we got Paulie in the building, you know the vibes. When I first got my TEs, I bought them off Paulie. Then I clapped them up and I made them sad, but it's all good. Yeah, he destroyed them. I destroyed them. Nah, you gotta get him before he leaves. This is Omar right here. Mr. Yeah, he got T's on the, he got bronze T's now. Some would say that like I love.
Hold on. Bam!
Ooh, money can't buy this, baby.
How you doing?
I built this. This is Fred's mobile. I paid for it though, you know, that's what I did. What do you think about up pipes, man? You think this is dope? The up pipes?
Yeah.
You like up pipes?
Yes. Remember, this is driver's car.
Yeah? How you know this is driver's car?
Babe, he was at the house yesterday.
How you know? You wasn't outside shooting
I gave
with me
him
in the
French
gym?
fries. Right? Right? I gave him French fries?
Yes.
Paulie lying. Oh, right here we have champagne poppy.
There goes the teddy bear.
Yeah.
I ever use that, bruh. I only use like 3 sprays.
Hey, Paulie, Venom boy, kill that bitch. What?
Nah, bruh. That wasn't me. Hey,
Photographer.
oh, hold on. We gotta get my man right here. We gotta get my man. Then what up, player? This my guy right here.
Bro,
yeah, I'm good. How you been? I'm doing a whole documentary.
man.
Hey, I miss you too. You should have came to the track yesterday, bro.
I know, man, but you know, I was working the graveyard shift.
That's even better. You're making money,
But
baby.
my
You know, I'm making
my
money.
baby broke down yesterday. Then
What?
after the show, she broke down, and I had to waste it till like 1 o'clock in the morning fixing it. But he make it. The blue D8 make it.
Yeah, that D8, but you don't mean that.
Man. Like,
yeah, so back on the vlog, the bleedy. Oh, we got Mark from Honda Street Garage. I've been knowing Mark for goddamn all my life. He probably my dad.
What? I don't see the resemblance. Let's see.
What you
What are
mean?
you talking
we
about?
look just alike.
we're the same height.
Same color, same everything.
The head does not count.
What?
The hip.
Yeah, Shorty messed up the whole thing, dog. This is my biological dad. I came to the Honda gatherings to let him know, Dad, I'm coming home.
It's true.
So guys, can you explain to me what the caw means or whatever that stuff? That.
Oh man,
Come on, we can't.
Nah, we can't do that.
If you don't know,
If you don't know, yeah, we can't
I never
tell
asked
you,
you.
Mama. I'm sorry, I can't tell you, boo boo. It's just what it is. You
It's
answer
like-
the phone.
It's a hey boo. You know, what does that
Oh.
mean? That's what it means.
Hey boo.
Okay.
Hey boo.
What car you brought up?
That drag spec now.
Pause.
Jeez.
Come this way. We gotta get the DA. Come this way.
When you buy it there, you know.
Oh, this is some shit for the interior.
Is this Mark's?
Yeah, this is Mark's DA right here. This is what I like to call Dragon Spec. You know what Dragon Spec is?
Yes.
It's fucking sick. And also, guess what? If you enter right now, hold on, play. This is promo time, baby. You can win a set of 57 DRs or cash if you know, balling like that. But if you're not balling like that, you want some wheels, holla at Dragon Spec. Link down below. But if I'm too lazy, it's on the screen. If I'm too lazy for that, Mark from Honda Street Garage. If I'm too lazy for that, fuck it.
That's the best promo I could think.
That shit feels great. Dude, this shit is nice. What's up with them? I almost called you jumping again.
You ready?
Yeah. You see this? Hold on. You got that on camera? Is that an HD? Guess where I got this from?
Well, also this.
Resto tuner. Come on, let's show y'all what we got over here. Right here.
No, we do not.
Is your 90s Honda clapped out with stickers and shit?
You look glowing.
I look glowy. I'm like Chris Brown. Alright, bet. Come back. So yeah, I just picked this up for my fuse panel cover because mine is clapped as hell. So Resto Tuner offers zinc bolts. They offer all stickers if you're doing like a OEM rebuilds and you want to restore your car with all the colors. They got that. And I just got that. Mark put us on. Shout out to Mark.
Hey, put you on, get you something.
Yeah.
You know my favorite?
Resto Tuner, baby. Look at that. Ooh.
Look, check this out.
Link down in the description box below. And if I forgot, it's on the screen. Okay? Cool.
The junkyard no more, because they got.
Oh man, look at that. Oh, look at the valve cover hardware with the 10 acorn nuts. What? Oh, you can get them in black too. Damn, Z.
But these things,
fresh.
You either got to go to Honda or the junkyard to get them.
Not no more. Resto Tuner. This is cool.
Jason just drives a lot.
Jason be everywhere.
Everywhere.
Jason be everywhere.
Yeah. But for like getting out there,
Hi, Mario.
yeah.
How you doing?
Send it right there. This my man right here.
dog
Where
right
my shirt at, bro?
Yo, blame her.
Where my shirt at? I want to represent. I got a custom just send it shirt with Zosh on the back.
Well, she stole it.
It's on the way. It's on the way.
Lil one's on the way. I got his at the crib because that's how we play around here. I'll probably drop it off to her. I gotta get his. Oh, no, I don't need it no more. I got my shit fixed. Yeah, we at Falcon. This is Falcon, baby. Y'all know who it is. Shout out to the homie, my retired homie from Falcon, Steve.
Right next to the
I miss you, bro.
They have some backpacks
Alright.
and other
Yeah, that's
items
Falcon.
for you, so make sure you
The
stop
best
by
200 treadwear tires on the market. I don't care. Go argue with your mama.
booth right next to.
All right.
Yeah. So we got the homie Nick Bailiff right here with the TSX wagon with the Zosh banner on that joint. That shit sexy than AF. You know the vibe. You know the V-Bays. Oh look, babe, he got dicks on his wheels. You see the penises? I'm gonna get demonetized. I'll show him. Right here we got the Top End Auto Group. Got the homie Adam. My true inspiration in life. I put an offer on this car today, offered $35,000, and he accepted. So I'm taking this home today. You gonna drive it for me?
Yes.
Adam, my man, well, thanks for selling me the car, dog. You know, I gotta clickbait a little bit for the vlog, you know.
Okay, so one more money.
She's like 65 grand. Yeah, you're right. How'd you do? She didn't get yesterday, like after the whole thing, everything was smooth?
Spun out the first session.
As always.
I did a figure 8.
Logging.
Bro. Horizon Gray Metallic EG. This is my first car. Well, not this exact one, but the color, I wish I would have kept it. So good. Yo, Omar, my girl said sell to her your Integra.
For the Randy special.
For the Randy special, which is 500. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna go 16s. 16s or 17s I'm gonna put on the Integra. 16s just look better. I'm trying to be a low boy. I'm not a low boy no more. I'm not a low boy. Oh, look at this one right here. Oh, damn, Omar right there. Hey, man, I was like, yeah, Omar. My girl wants the Integra for the Randy special, which is 500.
500. Put a couple more zeros behind it. We'll talk.
2 more zeros.
2 more.
There's a guy I'm waiting for the shipping price. I'll say, bro, give me a shipping quote, and I will send you the money as soon as you give me the quote.
What you got, Fred?
16.
What you got in there?
Hey, what's in there,
What you
bro?
got in there?
Bagel.
They got a regular lemonade and a
Mango.
that bitch
Raspberry.
that mix it together like some damn perk.
That's why I drunk a half.
We got my boy Sean in the building. The boy Sean in the building. Sergeant E J8. Oh, that's what I want. Rocket Bunny. EG track car. Perfect. This will be perfect. Yes, sir. On me in. You see the sticker right there on the corner, bitch? Yeah. Risky Bill in the building. My bad, Risky. My bad. Look at his clamps. Hurry up. Titanium. How you might set up like this? I should say some shit to get this man demonetized. I can bleep it all out, bitch. I have music playing. You see that thing got my heat got? We got driver. Nobody. Hey, look, baby, it's driver. Oh, damn, look at his driver. Man, look at this. He sold the Integra, bro. I don't like that nigga no more. I don't like that nigga no more, bro. He sold the Integra.
He's like the third person said that today.
That shit clean. That's clean. That's beautiful. Ooh, man. We're gonna have babies one day. You excited
One day? You mean like in a year or two?
Yeah, so you know we at the store. Gotta get some Slim Jims.
Put it in your mouth.
I use your card. Y'all
Say
waiting for
hi,
food?
Randy. You gotta be in the vlog.
Hi, Hennessy.
Look at the Grays guys. Say hi, Sophie.
Took a little lunch break. We had to eat empanadas and tortas and shit and chi-chi buns and all that. But we back at it. Signing valve covered plates and shit.
Zosh.
Yeah, hey.
Yes, sir.
At the Honda gatherings.
We K series or no series?
K series, bro. But I'm serious.
Yes, sir. I'm excited, bro.
I can't stand it.
This is nice. This is nice. Look at that. That's nice. Oh, that's so nice, bro. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna do my manifold now and my turbo. I'd have to do something like that for my my exhaust. Yeah, I gotta figure that out.
3.7.
The fastest TL in all. 3.7 liter, make 380 horsepower. Who's at the front with me yesterday? This is dope. S&P Performance TL. That's nice. Sounds so damn good too. Alright. Just officially sold the Integra. I mean, damn, my bad. Just sold the Civic. I'm already lying. I can't even lie properly. Sold the Civic. She needs food, so she mad. My cameraman don't like me no more. Look at that. Oh, that could be my.
Okay.
Wanna get freaky with you.
What a day. In and out of Honda meet right there. Called Honda Gatherings. We got some cars over here. Look at that nice wagon. Then we got the homie Josh. Then we got the JT. And then we got Vince right there. Yes, sir.